ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo lé mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ fetí sí tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní etí ọ̀sà ní Lẹ́kì lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àwọn ará ìrẹ́jẹ màgòmágó oríṣiríṣi tí wọ́n ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìdìbò òun lè rí ẹ máa gbọ́ sí ẹ fetí sí ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú ara àtàṣe tó pé a fẹ́ máa lọ rè o ìrẹ́jẹ yìí ti wá tó òmìnira wa la fẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú ẹ ṣeun.
I guess you're talking about as I'm talking to you, I just came in from First Attack where I've been, for some time before coming in right now. And I can tell you that we are unable to locate anywhere where a repeat election is taking place. I've been to Lekki this morning. I've been to Surulere this morning. I've been to Ikate, both Ikate Legushi and Ikate in Surulere. And I can tell you that no election is taking place in any of these places today. So as we speak right now, these people, they insist that they won the election to hold there at Lekki until until they are able to vote. They say INEC should not go ahead with the collation of the result. But I can also tell you, like I said earlier, the collation of results is underway right here at the Lagos State Model Primary School in Lekki, very close to the Marwa Gate here. And the people are saying that they want at least an INEC official to come out to address them in the list and assure them that even if the election is not going to take place right now today, they should give them a date when the election will take place.
That the protest is peaceful, but I see right behind you there someone that looks like Banky W. Maybe we'll come back to you after taking this quick story so that you can talk to Banky W. Okay, let's have him immediately.
He's, Okay, so Banky, what's the situation right here, right now?
Okay, the situation is we are live in Etiosa, and there are some issues. Multiple polling units, by my estimation, at least 8 polling units in Etiosa, there was no voting whatsoever. People were there from morning till evening yesterday. No INEC official showed up. There was a communication thing that came out today that said voting would happen today between 8 and 12 p.m. We have been here since 8 o'clock in the morning to speak to the INEC officials to say, when are you sending officials to these polling units that are affected so that people can exercise their civic rights? They've told us that they've not received any directive to go out and conduct elections, that they are waiting for that directive. People have been, the same people who were out yesterday all day have now been out again today, waiting in the sun, waiting for INEC to come. INEC has not shown up. Now, they want to go ahead with collating the votes from all the wards in Etiosa without addressing all the people who have not voted. That's number one. Number two, there are multiple polling units where there was suppression, where there was violence, where there was disruption. And by law, in those polling units where those things are happening and we have that evidence, they are supposed to cancel those polling units and run the election again. I think the days are gone when Nigerians will just sit by and allow people in authority to do whatever they want without being held accountable. So what you are seeing is a community that is intending to hold the people in authority accountable, to allow them to exercise their civic rights, to vote for who they want. And I think it's only fair. And at the end of the day, even if they are not ready to do it today, they should come out and address the people and let us know when they will do it. When are they going to do the elections? And then I don't think anybody here wants to be aggressive or violent, but they do need to be spoken to. They do need to be communicated with. They need INEC to come out and tell them, this is what's going to happen, this is the day that you will vote, this is the time, and show up there. And until that happens, people are not going to take it. This is the same community where NSAS happened. This is the same community where NSAS happened, the Lekki tollgate. It's the same people that are affected. It's the same people. So you cannot keep trampling on people and not expect them to push back. So really, all we're asking is for a level of accountability and transparency in our electoral process, and I don't think it's too much to ask. So the people are here. I've been speaking with INEC on the inside of the collation center. They assure me they're waiting for directives, so until they bring the directive, we'll be here.
Who exactly have you been speaking with among the INEC officials?
So the electoral officer is inside. Her name is Mrs. Salaye. So she's inside. So she's the one that has been telling us that they're waiting for a directive from INEC at the national to go ahead. So hopefully they will give her that directive so she can come out and communicate to the people and let us know. And so we wait.
All right, let's wait to hear from INEC. As soon as they clear that, I will be able to, bring you up to speed with what is happening right here. Whether the election is going to take place today or they are going to schedule it for, the nearest future.
Okay, thank you very
So, ẹ̀hún lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn o, ẹ ti rí oríṣiríṣi màgòmágó. Ó sọ fún àwọn èèyàn kankan wá dìbò lénìí. Àná wọn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìbò àmọ́ wọn ráyè dìbò lánàá, wọn ò jẹ́ kán dìbò lánàá. Wọ́n tún ní kán wá lénìí, wọ́n tún fẹ́ sún. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ ka gbogbo àwọn tán ti dìbò yẹn. Àwọn tán náà wà mẹ́rin sọ pé ẹ̀rọ ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ ká gbọ́ ẹ jẹ́ káwa náà dìbò náà kẹ́ wá kó tiwa mọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ káwá kà papọ̀. Àmọ́ ṣe ti rí òjòrò tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn. Ẹ wo ara ń ta ṣe fẹ́ gba Yorùbá nation òun lè rí yẹn ó ṣe pàtàkì tẹ́ bá ṣe eré ètò ẹ bá wa pín ó máa jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó máa ṣí ojú àwọn èèyàn wa ká lè mọ ohun tó ń lọ màá tún pè padà náà a tún máa wá sórí ètò láìpẹ́ yẹn máa retí wa a máa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ lórí Oduduwa TV radio Facebook àti YouTube àwọn olórí Citizen wa wọ́n ti block wa ń bẹ̀ o àwọn YouTube ti block wa torí pé à ń ṣe ètò àdéhùnsó tọrọ àwọn onídúró oṣù mẹ́ta gbáko ni wọ́n fẹ́ close Citizen wa torí a máa ń sọ èdè Yorùbá kò ní dá wa dúró àwa máa tẹ̀síwájú a máa ṣe ètò yẹn láàrin Yorùbá àti èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì lórí platform ní YouTube torí náà ẹ máa tẹ́tí sí ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ bíbá ẹ bá wa pín náà ẹ ṣeun kò jẹ́ àríjì báyìí lọ àtẹ̀síwájú àtúmọ̀ padà wá láìpẹ́ ẹ ṣeun.